Hello, my dear children. Good morning to all. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Dear children, today I am going to take your general science class, okay? And today I am going to teach you about insects. Okay, children? Now take out your general science book, page number 10. Okay, today topic is insects. INSECTS, insect. Children, do you know insects are small living things who have 6 legs, wings and feelers. Okay, children? Children, look at here. These are common features of insects. Okay? So let's study one by one. Okay, children? Look at here, children. Children, which is this insect? Do you know? You know its name? Yes, it is an ant. Okay? It is an ant. Ants are red and black in color. Ants are red and black in color. Children, now let's read the spelling of ant. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. Now children, next we are going to study about cockroach. Children, they are also harmful insects. Cockroaches are harmful insects because they spread disease. Cockroaches are spread disease. Now children, cockroaches are red in color. Okay? Cockroaches are red in color. Now let's read the spelling of cockroach. C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. Now come to next insect. Children, which is this insect? You know its name? It is a honeybee. Okay? It is a honeybee. Honeybee are insects that can fly. Honeybee are insects that can fly. Honeybees are very useful insects because they make honey for us. Okay? Now children, let's read the spelling of honeybee. H-O-N-E-Y-B-E-E, honeybee. Okay? Now come to next insects. Children, which is this insect? Do you know? It is a mosquito. Okay? It is a mosquito. Children, mosquitoes are harmful insect. Mosquitoes are harmful insect and mosquitoes spread disease like dengue, malaria, etc. Okay, children? Now, children, let's read the spelling of mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. Now, children, come to next insect. See this picture, children? This is a housefly. Okay, housefly are also harmful insects. Housefly are also harmful insects, children. Do you know why? because they spread disease. Okay. Now let's read the spelling of housefly. Housefly, housefly. Now come to next insects. Children, look at this picture. Our next insect is spider. Okay. Spider has 8 legs. Spider has 8 legs. Okay, children. Now, let's read the spelling of spider. Spider, spider. Spider, spider. Children, look at this picture. This is a ladybird. Children, ladybird is a useful insect. Ladybird is a useful insect for farmers. It eats pests that attack crops. Okay? It eats pests that attack crops. Now children, let's read the spelling of ladybird. 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 Okay? Ladybird. Ladybird. Now children, look at this picture. Which is this picture, children? Which is this insect? This is a butterfly. Butterfly is a most beautiful insect. It can also fly. Okay? Butterfly is a beautiful insect. Now children, let's read the spelling of butterfly. Read out children. Butterfly. Butterfly. Now children, again repeat after me. Ant, ant. Cockroach, cockroach. Honey, honeybee. Mosquito, mosquito. Housefly, housefly. Spider, spider. Ladybird, ladybird. Butterfly, butterfly. Now children, practice insects name at your home. Today is enough. Thank you. Have a good day.